Welcome to today's technology briefing covering global AI shifts, regulatory changes, and market reactions. Businesses in the United Kingdom are facing a dramatic financial crisis due to massive price increases in essential software. Richard Holdenby from Harvest reported that his average monthly bill has skyrocketed from $1,300 to over $2,100. This 1,500% hike is described as a daylight robbery by industry observers. Such exponential cost growth threatens the operational viability of small and medium enterprises across the region. The cryptocurrency exchange Binance has introduced a new system allowing AI agents to execute trades automatically. This AgentOS platform integrates seamlessly with popular tools like ChatGPT and Claude Code for enhanced functionality. However, the design philosophy shifts control of risk management back to the human user. Keeping these autonomous trading entities in check remains entirely the responsibility of individual account holders rather than the platform itself. Major financial institutions including Citi and HSBC have recently adopted International's advanced forecasting technology. The Singapore-based firm deployed its Falcon Time Series Transformer Model version 2.0 to predict currency movements. This partnership involves 6 large banks utilizing the system for their foreign exchange operations. Kelvin Lee confirmed that this tool helps banks manage volatility more effectively in real time. Union Minister Ashwini Vaishnaw highlighted India's strategic approach to artificial intelligence development. He stated that the country's primary strength lies in the applications layer of AI technology. Simultaneously, the nation is aggressively building capabilities in data centers and other digital infrastructure. This dual focus aims to create a robust ecosystem for future innovation. A landmark legal trial is underway against Meta regarding its handling of child safety on social media. Arturo Bezar, a former safety engineer, testified that the company was aware of potential harms to children. He alleged that Meta adopted a don't ask, don't tell strategy rather than proactively addressing these issues. This testimony contradicts public statements made by Mark Zuckerberg about genuine concern for user welfare. Uber has officially launched its first autonomous ride-hailing service in Europe with a focus on Zagreb. Riders can currently book robotaxis in key areas including the city center for immediate transport needs. Service availability and geographic coverage are expected to expand over time as the technology matures. This marks a significant step toward widespread adoption of self-driving vehicles in Western European cities. Alphabet CEO Sundar Pichai announced a new initiative providing free Google AI subscriptions for college students. These enhanced education tools are specifically designed to assist with major standardized exams like the GRE and JEE. The launch includes dedicated preparation features tailored for international student populations. This move positions Gemini as a primary assistant for academic success among young learners globally. The legal proceedings against Meta continue with further testimony regarding child safety practices. Arturo Bezar made specific allegations during his second day of court appearances. He argued that the company prioritized growth metrics over genuine safety concerns for minors online. This evidence could significantly reshape how regulators view the responsibility of major social media platforms. Google has integrated new AI study features directly into its Search and Gemini platforms. These additions represent the company's latest effort to compete with OpenAI in the education sector. Students now have access to comprehensive resources for learning and exam preparation within a single interface. The goal is to make Gemini the go-to AI assistant for students worldwide. A recent report by Strave indicates a paradigm shift in enterprise artificial intelligence adoption. The next phase will be less about deploying the latest models and more about managing their continuous upgrades and costs. Organizations must now focus on performance optimization rather than just model selection. This strategic pivot addresses the practical challenges of maintaining scalable AI systems. Subscribe for the next bulletin covering more tech news.